Thiko imwe thutha wa tharikira mihango yao muthenya nironeka guthie na mbere gucokereria ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kapenguria kaunti-ini ya West Pokot. Irema cia rithathi iria iratigirwo ceceni-ini ino ni wira muiganu wa ngero iria iragerirwo ni afitha umwe uria kuringana na anene ake ni mundu utarari ucuke.
He was somebody who rarely interacted with others. So when you say he was not a good person, he rarely offended anybody because there was rarely any communication. And we personally, I cannot report any, as the county commander, no adverse report has reached my desk concerning the bad character of that officer.
Aruna ake aria marahonokire tharikira ino iria iracungiriria ikuo cia maabitha mugwanja ni maroneka mamakitio ni uhoro uyu. President Uhuru Kenyatta ni atumite ndumiriri ya macakaya kuri nyumba cia maabitha aria marakuireire tharikira-ini ino. Ni agathiriirie maabitha aya akiuga ni njamba irakuire ikigitira bururi. Ni eranire ati honge cia ugitiri ni cigutabania uthuthuria Baranginyo niguo gutigirira ni mamenya kiria kiracungiririe abitha uyu kugera ngero ino. Oho ni augite ati thirikari ni kurugama na nyumba cia maabitha aya ihinda-ini riri iritu.
Wakati aliuawa alitoka kwa ofisi saa 5. Tuliongea na yeye kitu saa 5, akaniambia saa hii ni kwa ofisi Kapenguria imeharibika juu ya wizi saa 5. Alafu baadaye nilikuwa nakuja hapa ya kupeleka mtoto hospitali. Tukaongea na yeye saa 10 na akauawa 4:46.
Kurumirira giko giki gavana wa West Pokot Simon Kachapin ni arutite ritana kuri thirikari ithuthurie maabitha othe aria mari honge-ini cia ugitiri.
More intelligence must be done within the police to weed out such people. It will be easy, but resources must be done so that within all the counties, a thorough investigation and thorough monitoring of people, especially those that reports show that they are not doing good things.
Hari maabitha aria marari ceceni-ini ino tharikira ino igikika na aria marahonokirio, abitha umwe ni arericire atari na nguraro o yothe otiga kimako kiria kiraumanire na ndimunano ya mathaa maingi gatagati ka Abdi Hakim na maabitha aria marageragia kumahonokia. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.